This sterilization machine has excellent functions for preventing COVID-19 virus, as well as other kinds of infectious diseases, and is recommended for installation at such facilities as crowded areas, airports, seaport, terminals, and entrance of government offices. For the speedy checkup, this machine is equipped with the state-of-the-art function that can read 99.9% of individual hygiene status through its systematic sterilization and disinfection. This sterilizing equipment of the electric control system is activated by the automatic detection sensor, and the food additive sterilizing chemicals of chlorine dioxide is automatically sprayed in a humidified form through 3 outlets installed on the upper, middle, and lower positions. This machine is equipped with the latest design that will make available personal sterilization in a very short time.